Hey guys, welcome to How to Solve YouTube channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how to create a poll on Instagram. The process is really simple. First, make sure that you are connected with internet. Once you are connected with internet, go and open your Instagram app. Then tap Messenger or airplane icon from the top right corner of your screen. Now open the group chat where you want to create a poll. Tap on the square shaped sticker icon. A menu will pop up from the bottom. Tap on poll. Type the question you want to ask. Now write your first poll option in the add option box. Click it and then your second poll option into the next add option box. Football. Similar way you can add as many options as you want. Hockey. When you are done, tap on the create poll button below. That's it, your poll has been created. Now people in the group can choose the option they like. You will be notified when they vote or even change their answer. To add more option, tap on the poll and then tap on the add option and enter your option. Finally, tap on submit. Tap on submit. In this way, you can create a poll process by which you can create a poll on Instagram. If you find this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe. Thanks. Have a good day.